I wish I can see fish. I don't see fish yet, but there is a slower stream, as you can see. There's possibility to catch fish. A little slower there, another possibility, and I may probably gonna go back. Oh, so much garbage. Unfortunately, I don't have a bag. Oh, Jesus Christ! That place make me feel wild. There you go. This is where we are. This is where we need to be. Look! Oh my God, that's the blackjack, or how they call them, jackpot. Okay, I need to jump. Jumping. 1, 2, 3. Oba. Fish still there. Oh my God, that's a good fish. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant fish. Jesus Christ. Big fish. Let me just take a hook away from his mouth. Oh, let's come out. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This is a giant fish. Look at that fish. Oh my God, that's a giant fish. That's probably not my PB, but that's a fish. Fish biting extremely strong. I feel like it's so different between last year and now. Fish preparing for winter.